Welcome to Flying Skies 1. So today we are reviewing a power cable. It comes with Urban brand Power Over Vibes with a nylon braided cable. Comes with a long of 5 feet and it was the 25 watts quick charger. And the type of the cable was Type C to USB A. It was made in India. And here we can have information on the box, which is 3.4 amps speed and it is 480 mbps speed, and charge and cable, which we can use in both ways. We can charge our phone and we can use for data cable, and it comes with a 6 months warranty. And back side of the box we have information regarding the quick charger and USB A to USB Type C, and the information of 25 watts nylon braided cable, and the name of the modified is Urban Nylon. It comes with the Type C to USB A, and we can get one quantity, and MRP we have 599, but it comes with only 66 rupees. Let's open the cable right now. So here we opening the cable, and it comes with a beautiful color of blue color with a braided one. And the another information in the box is regarding a coupon for next purchase from Urban Band. So here we got this product from Amazon for the 66 rupees, and if you purchase this coupon for the next time the same product, we can get 100 rupees discount from their website. So here is the discount coupon, we can see thoroughly, and there is information regarding the warranty and the replacement of the product with 6 months. And let's open the cable and check the length of the cable right now. So we are opening the cable. It given with a nice band twist, and the length of the cable comes with a 5 feet, and when we fold it into twice it comes to 2.5, and if we fold for the 4 times it comes with 1.25 length. So here we can clearly measure the cable like with 5 feet. So let's consider that we can charge the phone whether it's working or not. So here I am switching on the power, and let plugging to the adapter, USB type and Type C to USB A. So we have connected to the USB type A to the power adapter and the Type C to the mobile phone. Let's see whether it was charging or not. So we can clearly see it was charging. Now the battery comes for 89%. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. We can see the clear the information, all the things, and now it's working. It's perfectly for thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share our